Go. Run, Seth. Catch up with your brother. I'm in the back. Okay. I'm following. Where are you taking us? Go the way you're supposed to go. Found a good one. Ouch. No, remember, we can't go that way. Go the original way. Told you that big boot might be a problem. It's not going to work today? Well, I'll be honest with you, if you get off the edges there and stay more towards the center where it's all worn in, it might be better, because what you're doing, you're slipping on the leaves and pine straw and stuff. There you go. Go, Seth. Follow him. This is the kids' favorite thing to do, is climb up here. The backside of Suicide Hill. Seth. Hey, don't argue. He's not meaning to get in your way. Just stay right there for a minute, Seth. Let your brother get ahead a little bit. I'll put my foot here so you don't slip down. Keep on going, Chris. Don't stop now. Go, Seth. Whoa, I almost fell. You guys are good. You guys are good. Hey, Seth. You have to take your turns, bud. He was going as fast as he could. Stay right there, Chris. Go, Seth. Go. Okay, you could do it by yourself then. You seemed like you were having problems. Let's go this way, boys. This way, Chris. Yeah, we will in a little bit. It's right up there, Seth. Seth, he's up there.
What?
The bird.
I don't see the bird. Where is it? Up there!
Big old raven or something up there in the tree.
Oh, no.
Not yet, Chris. Come here, Seth. You go explore over here real quick.
Can we go down there?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna go do.
Cool.
Run, Seth. Gotta catch up, bud. Let's get out of that road. Chris, out of that road, bud. No, not down that way. Not yet. Not yet. Go to the woods right here.
What, the woods?
Go. Go, Seth. Come on. Not this way. Yeah, I know. Yep. That's a fence. Guess we can't go that way.
Why?
Too far.
Why?
Because that would probably be a pain in the butt.
No, it's not.
Yeah, we don't want to go down that way. Because there's going to be nothing down there. What's going to be down there for you to see? Nothing.
Okay, let's go this way. Daddy, over here.
Kids aren't afraid of exploring, that's for sure. Yeah, I wouldn't go down that one either.
Why? Easy. Easy. Nana, we have big camp. Nana, we have big camp.
Alright, we'll stay there and wait for me and Seth. Don't go down that road. We're not going down that road. That just goes right back to the house. That's no fun. This is the way you get up here through cars. Go, Seth.
We're gonna go that way again.
Go. No, go this way. Not right now. Thought you guys wanted to roll down Suicide Hill some more before we go back to the house.